Big developments in the high-profile murder trial against an Oklahoma City pharmacist, Jerome Ersland. The new judge assigned to the case has issued a new trial date and banned cameras in the courtroom, meaning the trial will not be televised as previously planned. Newsline's Adriana Ibashinsky has been following this case, and she joins us now with reaction.
Amy, that new trial date has been set for December 6th. 3 months from now, and news of Judge Ray Elliott's banning cameras in the courtroom came as no surprise to many. The judge has presided over many high-profile cases and has chosen not to allow them before. He says there's a potential for the distortion of the proceedings. Both the DA and Ersland's attorney had very different reactions to his decision. During today's morning meeting with Judge Ray Elliott, District Attorney David Prater reversed his earlier position on cameras in the courtroom, stating he now objects to having them. But back in November, when District Judge Tammy Bass-Lashur approved the request, he said he had no problem.
We've got professional lawyers on both sides of this case, and we maintain our behavior in the courtroom and outside the courtroom. You're not going to see any change in the way we operate.
But that seems to have changed. Today, the DA told Judge Elliott televising the trial would create a circus-like atmosphere and said everyone who wanted to see the trial could do so by coming to the courtroom and attending the trial firsthand.
It's an open courtroom. There are no restrictions in being here and watching this trial. If we want to assure ourselves and they want to assure themselves that they're seeing every piece of evidence in this important case, I think that it's appropriate that they're here.
Ersland's attorney, Irvin Box, disagrees. He says the residents of Oklahoma County lost with today's ruling not to televise the trial.
The idea that they can't see this case televised, the idea that the state says, well, they can come down. Well, people can't come down. They work every day. They can't do that. This is a way for the citizens of this county to see how this system of justice works.
We can assure ourselves that any media feed outside that courtroom will include every piece of testimony or evidence.
Box also took issue with the DA requesting a gag order in the case, citing it was the prosecution that released the infamous surveillance video to the public. Judge Elliott, who's now in charge, chose not to issue a gag order at this time, but cautioned both sides trying the case to do so in the courtroom, not in the hallways or anywhere else. Both sides say they're ready to go to trial December 6th. Now, this will be the third time the trial has been delayed, but the defense says the delays have only helped their case since new evidence from the ME's office had only surfaced recently. With that, the defense still plans on filing a motion to remove the DA from the case due to the secret meetings he had with Judge Tammy Bass-Lashur, who yesterday recused herself from the case. So there's plenty more to come. Amy?
All right, Adriana. And Newsline was one of the news agencies that petitioned to have cameras in the courtroom for the Ersland trial and plans to appeal the judge to reverse today's decision.